Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the triangle. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find interior angles of this triangle in here. That's about angle A, C, and B. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to find the angle A, we have the formula in here. So we use about cosine A. We see that A is close to C and B. So we put about B square plus C square. And A is far or opposite about the angle A. So we have negative A square in here over 2BC. Now we have the information in here. We can put A cone here, B cone here, C cone here, B and C that is about from here, C cone here. So B that is about 54, C that is about 19.9, A that is about 50.9, and so on. So we calculate this one and we have 601 over 1791, and now we can find the angle 8 that is about a cosine of this number in here. And we have 70.39 degrees. Now we can do the same technique for angle C. So we have B and A in here. So we have B that is about 54, A that is about 50.9, and C that is about 19.9. And the next one, number 8, that is about 54, and B that is about 50.9. So we can calculate these numbers in here. So we have 4,259 over 4,581. And now we can find the value of C. So we have 21.61 degrees. Now, if we want to find the last one, which is you about 180 degrees, because the sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees, we minus about this one and this one. So we have 88 degrees, and that's it for the angle B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.